Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018 and we'll show you guys where to find the relay for your car starter. If your car does not start, does not crank, we'll show you where to find the relay. Also there is a fuse for that starter. Now, let me guys introduce you quick. We have more than 200 videos on this car on our channel. So we'll be constantly uploading video. Please guys subscribe to the channel. We'll try to save you as much money as we can in the long run. That's why we created this channel. So what do we need to do? We need to open the hood now, okay? We need to locate the fuse box, which is located next to the car battery. After that, remove the cover of that fuse box here. Okay, press down and pull up here. This is your cover. If you flip it this way, the layout is printed here and it corresponds to what is here. So we need to find relay number 10, R10. So in front of the 10 you should have R, this is for relay. If you have F, this is fuse. So do not confuse them. R10 is this relay here. Okay, and there is two relays, R7, R8. Okay, big ones. One of ours is missing depending on which package we have, but we need R10. This is the one for the car starter. Now, all the parts and tools that we use, including the replacement relay, will be listed in the description of the video below. So, how we remove that thing? Okay, that's really tight, guys. I mean, you can try to pull it with your hands, but sometimes you might have to pry with something a little bit. Okay, this one came out easy. So, this is it. Okay, this is the relay here. Now, I'll grab the new one quick. We have a video how to test the relay to make sure that it's good or not. Okay, this is our new relay. Ford Motor Company again. Same thing but brand new. And all we have to do, okay, you need to see which way it goes. So it goes like that. And push it in. Okay, so that will be all guys. That will be the whole procedure. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that subscribe button for Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.